Hello everybody and welcome back to the Cheryl Technology channel. My name is Chris, and if you're new here, welcome. We appreciate you watching. Thank you for being with me. And in this video it's going to be a very short one. We are looking at my ProxMox server. I just installed a network card in it, that 4-port one I was telling you all about. I just installed it in there, and as you can see, these two are existing, but these 4 are new. So it is seeing the NIC. And in a later video, we're going to figure out how in the world we're going to create a bond. It's probably a bond. I don't know if I need an OVS or Linux. We're going to figure that out later. I'll do some research and we'll see what is better. So in this one, the server, I love ProxMox. It's awesome, man. I've never had it work at this well before. Like, I had a bunch of disk in it and it was like SSDs and stuff, but it never quite worked like this. This is like, it's extremely fast and it's just reliable as crap. So yeah, I can honestly say from experience that yes, it is reliable. It's been reliable. And see, Twin Gate, this is the one I'm probably going to do today or tomorrow to get, so y'all can, I got some gaming videos to do too, but I think Twin Gate, this one is like one of the most useful tools I have. So you can see it did. I do know that 1 and 2 were already here. So we will, I don't even know. There we go. Auto start. There we go. That looks good. Oh, look at that. Auto start. Frig, yeah, let's auto start them all. Now I've got to look into the documentation to see how to activate things, because I don't know how to. Oh, you just assign it an IP address. Oh, okay. So maybe we'll do that. We'll have to. We'll create bonds and stuff with all this stuff, and I'll involve y'all through that journey. That's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and as you can see, the 3 are running, and we have a crap ton of. So you got to apply the configuration. You can't just tell it, yeah, do it. Oh, that's how you get it to activate. Okay, so now they're all active. I don't have anything plugged into them yet, but that's coming pretty soon, and I want to make sure that I get everything right. So that's another thing that I got to work on. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And until the next video, may the Lord bless each and every one of you and walk with you every step of your life and help you. And I thank you for watching. And until next time, everybody, peace.